Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back once again with the Anet ET4x. Friends, this is stress test number 3. We are going to try and print with Petg. So let's get cracking. Alrighty, friends, I am back at my PC. I am in Cura, and I'm looking for this project I've got called Puppy Woof 2. It is a cute little puppy woof that I found on Thingiverse, but then I adjusted it to have supports so that it prints more successfully. If we zoom in here, these supports were created with Mesh Mixer. They just hold that chin up and make it so I've got a better shot of getting a quality print. I'm going to do 3 millimeters once again, keeping all my settings, 2 walls, 1.2 for the bottom and top thickness, 15% infill. Instead of triangles, I'm going to switch to grid. I'm also going to go to the print temperature, and we read the label. This was from Duramike. They recommended 240 plus or minus 10. I'm going to go with 240, and the build plate has to get up to 70, so I'm going to change that as well. And I'm going to drop it down to 40 millimeters per second, so that way it also matches the settings they mentioned there. And I like to print slower the first time I use filament. Once again, I'm using skirt, 6 lines, 10 millimeters apart. Sometimes I make that 4 lines, but I want to make sure that I can visually see that I'm getting a good first layer because I always do manual leveling on my projects. So with that created, let's save it to the removable disk, and in about 2 hours, we'll have a sweet print. Alrighty, friends, so remember when you insert the SD card, it is little shiny side up, and I'm going to back up out of that menu to the print menu, and let's find our puppy woof. I already did the filament swap. I've shown you how I've done that before. It's the exact same thing. Super easy to remove. Tested it, sent a little bit out. You can see I've got a little bit coming out of the printer head, so it's working. And bam, let's get this print going. Alright, friends, so a little after 2 hours later, we have got a cute little fox. Once again, these are the supports that I created on Mesh Mixer. When you're done, you just peel them off. They are super slick, and you get a much higher quality result than if you don't do this with supports. So once again, I'm doing 0.3 millimeter layers, so it is not perfect quality, but it has turned out pretty darn sweet. Alrighty, friends, so the proof is in the prints. The ET4x did a fantastic job using Petg, which is pretty doggone sweet. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.